how would you describe the perfect candidate for you? Is it his attendance? Is it his grades? Is it an instructor recommendation? What would you say?
I'd say we start with all three. So when I come in, if it's a student that's not going to graduate for another year from now, first thing I say is work on those grades and attendance. The employers, that's the first thing they're going to look at. If you're showing up for school and working on the trucks every day, then that's likely a indication that when you arrive at Reliable Carriers, you're going to do the same. You're going to show up on time. You're going to excel. You're going to enjoy what you do. All the teachers here have been amazing about providing recommendations as well. They get to work with the students every day, so we love to hear their feedback as well. We want to find someone that's very passionate about what they do. We've noticed that all the students here at wyotech, we love to see when they have a little project car out in the yard that they're working on. That really drives and that makes them successful in their career. And I think by them being hands-on at the school and going out to all the high schools and recruiting from them, they've really found a great core group of students.
What would be the best advice you could give to an up-and-coming potential candidate?
I would say get in contact with us early. We want to build that relationship. We want to make sure that if you come to Reliable, that you're going to have a long, successful career with us. We have some techs that have been with us for over 40 years, and that's unheard of in the industry. So some will start at 16, and we've had some that go and retire at Reliable. So build that relationship early. We invest a lot into our technicians, so we want to make sure that you come to the job and enjoy what you're doing. So whether that's engage with us on social media, search Reliable Carriers on Instagram, see kind of what we do, stop by our facilities, come take a tour of it, come see us at shows. If you're at a Mecum auction or Barrett Jackson auction, come see what we do. We always have technicians out there. So get engaged, talk with us. We want to make sure it's a good fit for both of us.